Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I am going to be painting this sign that was hanging up between my kitchen and living room. I think it's really cute, but I just wanted to change it up a little bit before I do my fall home tour. So I have several different things that I need to paint before I do my fall home tour. So I'll just be sharing those projects around my house with you. And so I will be sharing with you also what it looks like when I'm done and where I end up putting things. So stick around to the very end of the video to see all that. All right, here we go. Okay guys, while I'm waiting for my sign to dry over here, I've got my glue gun plugged in, heating that up, so I'm waiting for that to get hot. And I'm going to take my other sign here that I have, which is I think so cute. It says Market Fresh and then Organic. I'm going to take this sign that I got this at Hobby Lobby, guys. And I got it at the end of summer when they were clearancing out stuff really cheap. Everything was like going 80 and 90% off, making room for putting out all the fall and Christmas things. So I got a lot of really cute farmhouse items, and this was one of them. So original price was $21.99 and marked down to $5.50 on clearance, and I think I got it, I'm pretty sure it was even discounted off of this price, if I remember correctly. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off, remove the price tag on here, and then I'm going to remove this hanger on here as well, so that I can attach the sign, this sign, to my other sign. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. This one doesn't want to come out. There we go. Okay. So now that that is off, I am ready to attach this sign onto my other sign over here as soon as that other sign is dry. So we're ready to go. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be removing the bunny off of the end of my rod here. And I don't think the bunny will look quite right with the rooster sign, so I'm just gonna be taking this off of here. And I will save the bunny to use somewhere else or on something else for a different project. And I thought I could maybe use something else that I have around my house here to put on the end. I have this star, which might look kind of cute. Or I also have some glass knobs maybe I could use to attach on the end. So stay tuned to see what I end up doing with that as well. Okay guys, my sign is now dry and I'm ready to go ahead and start attaching the other sign on top of it. I just wanted to let you know that I used this craft paint from Walmart in black, and it's indoor outdoor. And it's great for crafts. And then I was just using a sponge brush that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's go ahead and attach the sign to my board. I think it looks super cute. I think it'll look even cuter hanging up. I went ahead and got a little ahead of myself and started painting the back side without videoing. So what I did was, I'll just let you guys know what I did. I just started, took my sponge brush and started just dry brushed it on there because I wanted the stain to show through here. And then I took my black paint and just went along the edge and trimmed it out. So I'm not sure what I'm going to paint on this little sign on the back side yet. I did end up changing my Bon Appetit to Hello Fall on my chalkboard on the back side. And then I also just painted a little bit of black along the trim here. Okay guys, this is what my sign ended up looking like after it's hanging up. And I end up using a glass knob on the end, not the one that I showed earlier, but end up using a different one that I had already, and I think it turned out nice. Okay guys, here's what my sign looks like on the other side, and this is the from the kitchen side of the sign. And I have left the little sign that hangs below blank for now because I'm not sure exactly what I want to put on there. If I want to hand paint something on there, or if I want to just attach a smaller little sign to that. I do have a smaller little sign that's cute. This one here that says Home Sweet Home would be kind of cute on there. So I just haven't quite decided exactly what I want to do. So for now, it's going to stay like that until I decide and make up my mind. But let me know what you guys think of it and what I should do, if I should hand paint something or attach another little sign to it. Let me know your thoughts on that. And also the other question I have, should I leave the Hello Fall like it is facing into the kitchen, or should I turn it around and have the rooster facing into the kitchen? Let me know. I do have a chicken nesting box in my living room, so I think the rooster kind of does look cute facing out to the living room because of that, and just kind of like the entrance to the kitchen. So, but let me know your thoughts on that as well. Tell me what you think, what you guys would do, and I'm going to be having some more little projects coming up to you in the near future here. Things that I need to get done before I do my fall home tour. So I'm not going to attach it to this video because it would just probably make it too long. And I've been having a problem lately with uploading my videos if they're too long, and with storage and everything on my phone is driving me crazy. So I'm going to just make this video shorter so that I don't have any issues with that. And I will just be bringing you the other videos soon. So until next time, friends, have a great day. Bye-bye.